Alright, you're on video. What do you want to say? It's not Ginny's birthday. It's almost your birthday. In 17 days. What do you want for your birthday?
A dinosaur cake.
A dinosaur cake? What else?
Milk.
You want some milk? Alright. What do you want to do for your birthday? What do you want to do? If you could do anything, what would...
Paint.
What?
Paint.
You want to paint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We can paint on your birthday. How old are you going to be? 2.
5.
You're going to be 5?
No, 2.
2, okay. Mama Jane and Grandpa are coming up for your birthday. That's fun, isn't it? That's going to be fun. Who is that lying next to you? Who's that?
Baby.
That's a baby?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Baby.
Is she your little brother?
Yeah.
No, she's your little sister. What's your favorite thing to do?
Yeah.
Is your favorite thing to hold the baby? Yeah. What do you say when you want to hold the baby? Reevy, hold the baby? Reevy, hold the baby? Is baby Jenny sleeping?
No.
Is
no. She...
What is she doing?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, night. And you're big girl bed, huh? Oh, now you're going to jump on the bed. Wow.